My dear students, welcome back to our channel. Students, we have very important update from Osmania University. Osmania University announced BCA second, fourth and sixth semester regular and all semester backlog exam fee notification for April 2026 exams. So, interested students pay your examination fee at your respective college on or before 20th April 2026 without fine, and exam fee is 2130 rupees is there. Additional fee is there for 6th semester students. You may see the details on screen. Students, for important questions, top 10 questions, separate YouTube channel is created for you. Semester BCA YouTube channel. Subscribe this channel to get the important questions, top 10 questions and other things. Students, I am preparing important questions with answer notes PDF for 99 rupees or 149 rupees. If you are interested, you just DM me on Instagram. Instagram ID is abetsir, so that I can prepare in advance for you. I hope you understand. All the best students for your upcoming exams. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video with your friends.